Hi guys, Kaiwan from Kim Production. Welcome back to my channel, and this is a new update of my workspace. I'll sleep late. Don't listen to that. Actually, I'm a night guy, but yeah, I should not be sleeping late. So I have a big announcement for you guys. For those who actually bought the light package on my online store, I would say it's probably one of the most purchased product on my store, and it's probably one of the most requested for the second version. So I partnered up with a friend of mine. He's from Israel. He's a really talented photographer. He made like around 100 high resolution lights, and I partnered up with him. The link in the description. This is a quick review of how these lights look like. I'll probably say that this is one of the best product I've ever put out there, and yeah, the link will be in the description. And after this, I'm gonna jump right away to Photoshop and use these lights as a sample, so you can have an idea what kind of result you can get with. So, hey guys, without further ado, let's just jump to Photoshop. Alright guys, so as you can see, we are in Photoshop right now, and if I show you the before, like the original image, as you can see here, it's nice, but it's boring, you know. So to make it more interesting, I usually use overlays, especially light overlays. So these are the light overlays I use from the package that I just announced. Let me show you the light package and which one it is. So this is the one. This is the one that I'm using. It's one of the lights from the package. You get like around 100 high resolution lights. They are really good. You can always play with it. You can change the color if you want with hue and saturation. Let's say you want to change the color here. All you have to just go to hue and then change the slide, you know. So yeah, it's pretty easy to use. Let's say you want to add a blur to make it more realistic as an overlay. You can also do that by going to filter, then blur, then we have Gaussian blur. So yeah, you have the ability to do a lot of things with these lights. As you can see, if you zoom in, I even added the light to make a reflection out of, you know, the glasses, the sunglasses. So this way it makes it more dramatic and realistic. So I'm not gonna showcase it the whole thing, how I did it, how I kind of got this result here. But if you want me to make a full tutorial about it, please comment down below, because I didn't want this video to be really long on you. So basically this video is showing you guys how these lights can enhance your photo in a really professional way. But still, I'm gonna go to like a quick step-by-step how I did it. So as you can see, let me enable the layer mask and then change the normal blend to screen. All you have to do is just to change the normal blend to screen, and boom, you remove the black background and you have this overlay here. Alright, and then, wait, screen. Alright, and then I just copied this light to the bottom right corner and did the same thing, and then I added some darkness with the curves, and then here I kind of added like a orange and teal tone with camera raw filter, and then after that I did a dodge and burning with a simple layer here. I made so many tutorials about it. So this is just simple dodge and burning to make it more, you know, interesting to watch, to look at it. So, and then we have this. It's just basically the same light, but I kind of made it small, and I made the reflection from the sunglasses, and then I added a layer mask, and then after that I removed the unnecessary part so we can only have it on the sunglasses, and did the same thing here. And then we have another dodge and burning, or actually this is only burning here, and then I kind of removed some stuff in the background with spot healing brush. And then from the next layer I copied the bokeh here, as you can see, to this place. So I copied this bokeh to here, and then basically I did nothing here, so I'm just gonna remove it. And this is the final result where I just applied one of my you know, preset from film look pack, and pretty much I got this result. So this is before after. Again, if you want me to make a quick tutorial about this, comment down below. Yeah, this is showcasing the lights, how how these lights will impact your photos. So again, the link will be in the description if you're interested to get these lights. So yeah guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and hopefully more tutorials coming soon. So please stay tuned and subscribe to not miss the next upcoming tutorials. Also give a big thumbs up if you are really excited for this light package, the second version, because this is probably one of the most requested product item that I could make the second version out of it. So yeah guys, I will see you in the next video. Have a great time.